So here's the inside of the monitor here, and it has this, it's really nice monitor. It has metal parts that's not as common, and it has this blue board. So this is the main processor here, and this goes to the LCD. That's for your LCD panel screen. And this here, I believe it's similar to a T-Con board, and it has some burnt components. You can see it's burnt. So that goes to this wire here. So here I have it underneath the scope. There's a couple components that are bad with this. This is FDS 9435, I believe. This looks like a power Mosfet. You can see the crack right there. Then there's a transistor here that's blown. And then we have this right here. This could be a diode. We're not 100% sure what this guy is right here. Oh, we are now. It's a resistor. It's R1. So that's the indication here. So we can test that out. I'm getting 580 ohms. We can determine what type of transistor this is. Find a matching transistor on it. This is Q2. It's 1AM is the symbol. And I googled it and found it's an NPN transistor. SOT 23. It does 60 volts, 0.2 amps. So we should be able to get that. Not a problem. So it's a NPN just with those parameters. 0.2 watt. That's just a common basic one. So that's basically what you can do is when you have something burnt and you can't identify what it is, like you can't even see, but I was able to zoom in and I can actually see that right here there's a 1. This right here is a 1. You can't see the other one, but you can see that it's labeled as Q1. So just find Q2 and it's most definitely going to be the same one. So we could swap it out with that. We have an NPN transistor there. We have one NPN transistor, and then we have a power Mosfet here, a PNP. So that's the guy that blew up. So we have here an FDS 9435A, which is a P-type 30 volt power transistor. So that's this guy right here. Okay, and then we probably have a bad transistor as well. Parts for this monitor from DigiKey here. DigiKey is a good source of electronic parts. So what I'm going to be doing is putting some low melting solder on this. right here is an NPN. Before it was SOT3 NPN. This is the power MOSFETs here, and this is a 10k ohm resistor. So let me just measure that. There we go. So we'll give it a shot now. I've replaced the power MOSFET, and also there's NPN MOSFET. This resistor is good, so we'll give it a shot. So it's on here.